Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you a quick drop 2 exercise you can do just to get your hands warmed up, or when you have nothing to play and you want something to practice. So let me show you what we're going to do. And we continue throughout all of the keys. So let's get straight into it. For those who still don't know what a drop 2 is, let's go to the basics quickly. Let's say you have a 4-note chord, a C major 7. A drop 2 is saying you're taking the second note from the top, which is the G, and you're putting it in your left hand. So basically that's how you create it with a 4-note chord. If it's a minor chord, the same thing applies. The second note from the top, the G, you put it in your left hand. So now, if you're using a 3-note chord as well, let's say you have this basic C major, the same thing applies, but instead of saying the second note from the top, we could just say the middle note, which is E. We put it down here. If it's a minor chord, we do the same thing. Put it down here. So that's how you form your basic drop 2 chords. Alright, so all we're doing is pretty much just moving through the different inversions. So I'm playing the inversion for C, then the original chord, then we go to the F inversion, and then this F. So that's all we're doing. The move is from C major to F major. Each one has 2 inversions. We have this one, we have that one, the F, we have that one. So now we're just going to convert them to drop 2s. So this chord, take the middle note here, put it down here. So people may argue and say, well, this is just an inversion, and you'd be right. But the only difference is that when you voice it this way, it sounds a bit more open than when you just play this. So this gives a very open and beautiful sound in comparison to that regular sound. So this is the first one. So now for this, we do the same thing, middle note E. So we have that open sound. So we have covered the first 2. Now let's go to the F major. So this inversion, take this here, and we have that chord. So now for this, take this, we have that chord. So we have now completed it. So we have that. And to make it sound even better, what I like to do is add slides or grace notes. So the top note, I like to do that. Right? So we have that. You could do it for this one as well if you want. But most times I don't do it for that one, but you could. I just typically do, right? And this one, we have it here as well. So we have na 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 na, right? So now that's just one key. You want to go through all of your keys. So let's just do an extra key. So in C sharp, the same chord here, we're going to do it here. And then we have that. Then the F sharp, F sharp. Convert this to a drop 2. We take the middle note. We have that. Convert this to a drop 2. Take the middle note. We have that. Convert this. The middle note. We have this. And this, the middle note, we have this. So now we have na, 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 na. And you can add the slides. So do this, this, So that's all I did. So guys, you can give this one a shot, and if you want to go deeper into drop 2s and learn how to use them in songs, you can join my inner circle with the link below the video, and we'll go deeper into drop 2s and many other concepts like passing chords, rootless chord voicings. it doesn't matter if you're at the basic level, you only know basic chords, or you're an intermediate player, I have something for you. But until then, guys, keep on learning.